The legend of the Trojan horse is more than just an ancient myth. It's a timeless tale of cunning and deception that has echoed through the centuries. Today its warning resonates louder than ever in our digital age, where threats are no longer made of wood and iron but of code and data. In the original story, the Greeks cleverly hid their soldiers inside a massive wooden horse, tricking the Trojans into bringing their enemy right into the heart of their city, believing it was a gift of peace. Today, cybercriminals use digital Trojans, malicious software disguised as something harmless or even helpful, to infiltrate our computers and networks, often without us realizing it. Users, lured by fake apps, tempting downloads or seemingly urgent updates, unknowingly invite these threats inside their devices, opening the door to hidden dangers. The real danger isn't in the software's appearance or its promises, but in the hidden payload it carries. Malware that can steal data, spy on activity, or even take control of entire systems. Like the Trojans of old, we're most vulnerable when we trust the wrong thing, letting our guard down and allowing the enemy to slip past our defenses. Recognizing and understanding this modern deception is the crucial first step to defending ourselves in a world where the enemy often waits patiently for an invitation. One click is all it takes. Once installed, a Trojan quietly opens a back door, giving attackers remote access to your device. This means they can control your computer as if they were sitting right in front of it. They can spy on you, steal passwords, and even monitor your online activities in real time. Or turn your computer into part of a botnet, all without your knowledge. This can lead to your device being used for large-scale cyber attacks. Unlike noisy malware, Trojans aim for stealth, blending in so you don't notice anything's wrong. They are designed to be as inconspicuous as possible. The legitimate-looking app may work as promised, while secretly exfiltrating your data. This makes it incredibly difficult to detect the threat. Every file, password, and online action becomes vulnerable. Your personal information is no longer safe. The attacker can wait, gathering information for weeks before striking. This prolonged surveillance can lead to significant data breaches. Your trusted device becomes a tool for your own victimization. The very technology you rely on turns against you. That's the true power and peril of a Trojan. It exploits your trust and uses it against you, making it one of the most dangerous types of malware. Trojans rely on clever delivery, using tactics that are designed to catch us off guard and exploit our trust in technology. Most often they arrive through social engineering. Phishing emails, fake attachments, and messages that appear urgent or important are all common tricks used to lure victims. Deceptive downloads, such as pirated software or cracked games, are especially risky. These files may seem harmless, but they often hide malicious code. Clicking on suspicious links, whether in emails, texts, or websites, can instantly unleash a Trojan, compromising your device without you realizing it. Even mobile apps can be Trojan horses, especially those downloaded from unofficial app stores or third-party websites, where security checks are often lacking. These apps may request excessive permissions, such as access to your contacts, messages, or location, giving attackers a direct line to your personal data. The real entry point, however, is human trust. Our instinct to click, open, and install without a second thought, making us the weakest link in the security chain. Attackers don't need to break in if we open the door for them, often unknowingly inviting threats into our digital lives. Staying alert and informed is our best defense against these digital deceptions. By questioning the unexpected and thinking before we click, we can keep our data safe. Not all malware is created equal. Viruses attach to files and spread when those files are shared. Worms self-replicate and move across networks on their own. Ransomware locks your files and demands payment. Rootkits hide other malware from detection. Trojans, however, don't self-replicate. They rely on tricking users into letting them in, then open the door for further attacks. Knowing these differences helps us respond to threats more effectively. There's no single fix for Trojan attacks. Protection requires layers. Use reputable antivirus software, but don't rely on it alone. Be skeptical of unexpected emails, attachments, and downloads. Only install software from official sources and keep everything updated. Enable firewalls and automatic updates to close security gaps. Most importantly, question the unexpected. Your vigilance is the strongest defense. The Trojan horse story endures because misplaced trust is still our greatest weakness. In the digital world, we are the gatekeepers. Let's not invite the enemy inside. Now let's test your knowledge with a couple of quick questions about Trojan horses. Question 1. What is the primary characteristic that distinguishes a Trojan horse from other types of malware? A. It replicates itself automatically. B. It disguises itself as legitimate software. C. It encrypts files for ransom. D. It only infects mobile devices. Correct answer, B. It disguises itself as legitimate software. Question 2. Which of the following is the best way to avoid falling victim to a Trojan horse? A. Download software from unofficial websites. B. Ignore software updates. C. Open all email attachments. D. Only install software from trusted official sources. Correct answer, D. Only install software from trusted official sources. Keep practicing, stay alert, and remember, your vigilance is your best defense against Trojan horses.